007 at the age of 9, hiding in the backseat of my brother's brand new Jeep. There were girls dancing in the beds of trucks, at least the ones that weren't getting stuck. Coolers, cans, and cutoffs were all new to me. Well, that was then, but now I'm grown. Where we went that night, I still go when the weekend rolls around. I'll be getting down, getting loud, getting some, getting high up under the moonlight. It's bring your own booze contribution. God-fearing good old boys, good old girls, getting backwards in a backwoods world. Sunday morning we'll have a get right reunion. Oh, but tonight it's on, pass the jar around. Get so far gone we come unwound. We ain't lost, we can be found. Have a dirt road communion. Whoa, dirt road communion. It's where I got my first moonshine kiss. I could taste the cinnamon on her lips in the front seat of my brother's old hand-me-down Jeep. Where I was baptized in rock and roll, our country roots run deep in my soul. We hold on high every single time Petty sets us free. Yeah, we're getting down, getting loud, getting some, getting high up under the moonlight. It's a bring your own booze contribution. God-fearing good old boys, good old girls, getting backwards in a backwoods world. Sunday morning we'll have a get right reunion. Oh, but tonight it's on, pass the jar around. Get so far gone we come unwound. We ain't lost, we can be found. Have a dirt road communion. Whoa, dirt road communion. It's who we are, it's what we do. We all come from miles around. Just to do a little getting down, getting loud, getting some, getting high up under the moonlight. It's a bring your own booze contribution. God-fearing good old boys, good old girls, getting backwards in a backwoods world. Sunday morning we'll have a get right reunion. Oh, but tonight it's on, pass the jar around. Get so far gone we come unwound. We ain't lost, we can be found. Have a dirt road communion.